What's up everybody, Tommy B here. I made a video about 10 months ago on how to voice chat in Pubg Mobile, and I'm still getting questions on how to do that. So I figured I'd make an update video for it with a little bit different since the old method's not available anymore. Alright, first thing that you want to do is make sure your app has permission. Go to your app settings, your apps, and then find Pubg Mobile. Way down there, alphabetical. Alright, go to your permissions and make sure your microphone is on. That's the easiest way to make sure. After that, if that doesn't work for you, you can always go to your settings in Pubg Mobile. Once it loads, you can log out in the bottom left hand corner, hit OK, and then on the right side, the third button down, it says repair. Click on that and repair your client. You'll have to do an update and all that good stuff to get it back, but your account and everything will still be there. Hopefully that works for you guys. If not, let me know in the comments. And another thing, see that tap to chat? Make sure you have that on in order to chat. Put it on team in the middle, or all if you want to talk to everybody. That's how you do it.